Hello everyone, welcome to channel Bitcoin World Crypto. Today's project is Bitsland, new era of decentralized finance. Its private sale is ongoing. You can join its private sale. First of all, we know what is Bitsland. Bitsland is a decentralized public blockchain platform by a global developer community, decentralized exchange, cross-currency payment, and payment channel. What are services they are providing? They are providing mining service, Bitsland app, blockchain, exchange. This is the roadmap detail of Bitsland. May 2021 started development work on Bitsland. September 2021 first round private investment. Affiliation a civil startup to development platform that start private beta testing. December 2021 deploy website starting 47% pre-sale token. Star promotion company. July 2022 independent audit public beta testing platform. August 2022 start testnet. Fall 2022 audit report release. And this is the detail of use case of Bitsland. First is Bitsland app, developing technology that reduce the gaps between traditional and decentralized finance, implementing next generation products and protocol to make financial transactions more equitable for all. Second is mining service. Mining service is the process of using your computer processing power to solve complex mathematical equation to earn digital cash. And third is blockchain. Blockchain application go far beyond cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. And third is exchange. Exchange is a crypto as it should be, buy and sell on any device with access to some of the best price for cryptocurrency. Bitsland ecosystem enable both staking and the masternode tiers to maintain the health of the network. Security multi-part computation and zero knowledge proof, providing a highly capable platform for facilitating decentralized collaboration both and of blockchain. This current price is average batches used 5.658, total batches remaining 20.324 plus, percentage batches 65. And this is smart contract API, Stellar Roman, Bitcoin plus RSK, Lisk, EOS and counterparty. This is token sale detail, token name Bitsland, ticker symbol BTSLND, starting price in Ether, block type proof stake, block size 2 MB, minimum confirm 6 confirm, pre swap amount 86 billion, post swap amount 86 billion ratio. And these are the documents, terms and condition, white paper and privacy policy in PDF file format. And this is token distribution allocation, 25% founder and team, 30% reserved, 20% advisor, 15% distribute to community and 10% bounty campaign. And this is FAQ section. You can read all questions and there are answers. And these are partners of this project. These are the social link to follow: Twitter, Facebook and Telegram. You can also subscribe their newsletter here. Type your email and then click on send. You can also connect your wallet, Binance Smart Chain wallet with it, and can purchase tokens. So this is the end of the video. I hope you like. Thanks for watching.